Bell's future vertical lift technology demonstrator, the V280 Valor, has finished its flying career, according to a June 24 company announcement. After 3 years of record-breaking flight, Bell's V280 Valor technology demonstrator is being retired as the company focuses on pitching the U.S. Army a replacement for the Black Hawk. The demonstrator was built for the U.S. Army Joint Multirole Technology Demonstrator Program and flew for the first time in December 2017. Over the demonstration and risk reduction phase, the V280 flew more than 214 hours and showed off low-speed agility and long-range cruise capabilities, and reached a maximum 305 knot cruising speed.